Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is about exploring the world of online trading. Trading currencies, stocks, or other assets can be a great way to potentially earn money, but it's crucial to understand the risks and learn proper trading strategies. Don't rely solely on signals from others. Knowledge is power. There are several ways to develop your trading knowledge. Here are a few effective methods to get you started. Free online resources. Many websites offer educational materials on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading psychology. These resources are often updated regularly to reflect the latest market trends. Trading courses. Consider paid courses from reputable sources, but do your research before investing. Look for reviews and testimonials to ensure the course is worth your time and money. Paper trading. Practice trading with simulated money before risking real capital. This allows you to test your strategies and build confidence without financial risk. Here are some legitimate ways to make money while you build your trading skills and knowledge. Freelance writing. Offer your writing skills to create educational content for trading platforms or financial websites. This can include articles, blog posts, and even ebooks. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for established traders who can offer valuable insights in return. This role can also help you stay updated with market trends. Data entry. Entry-level data entry jobs can help you learn about the markets while earning an income. These positions often require attention to detail and can provide a solid foundation in financial data analysis. Building your own community can be incredibly rewarding. Instead of promoting paid groups with unclear signals, consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel. Share your trading journey, knowledge, and experiences to educate others and build a community. Engaging in online forums is another great way to participate in discussions with experienced traders. You can learn from their mistakes and successes and contribute your insights, always doing so ethically. Remember, transparency is key. Always be transparent with your audience. Emphasize that trading involves risk and that past results don't guarantee future success. By being honest and open, you build trust and credibility, which are essential for a thriving community. Building a solid foundation in trading takes time and dedication. Don't get sucked into quick money schemes. Remember, success in trading requires knowledge, discipline, and responsible risk management. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment with your questions about trading. Share your own learning methods. Let's build a supportive community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bonus tip. Include links to trusted resources for learning about trading, such as Investopedia or Khan Academy's Financial Markets course. This rewritten script focuses on ethical and transparent ways to make money online with trading, emphasizing education and responsible practices.